what is a trend line and how to write a trend line in Tableau. So, a trend line in Tableau is used to predict different trends in data. Trend line is also used to identify different correlations between two variables by observing trend between both of them. So, we use NFL of NCPS chats Microsoft Excel file and is being imported to Tableau using Microsoft Excel option, and we'll be using this data to make our visualization in Tableau. We go to sheet 1, we drag year dimension into columns, and college losses measure in rows. So we select under marks card, we select bar here. Alright, so in analytics option, we double click on trend line, and the trend line is added in the visualization. Uh, Finally, we change the title of the visualization as trend line driven. So this is a trend line showing the college losses, R square value, and the p value. Alright, thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.